So I marinate the chicken, breast chicken, with all the spices. I fried it. Hello guys, we will cook lemon chicken. So this is for the sauce. Add butter, our garlic. We add our water and lemon juice. It's already have lemon zest. Ayan, ulit ko lang. Let's add pepper. Then lemon. Honey. A little bit of honey. Let's add some lemon. Okay, let's add cornstarch to make it thick. Okay, slurry na. Medyo thick na. So let's add our chicken. Not too much. Kasi yung iba ayaw ng maasim. Here's our lemon chicken, chives, lemon. Okay.